Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this French phrase that refers to the decade of the 1920s in France. This phrase literally means in French the crazy or silly years. How do you go about pronouncing it? In France, in French, we say it as Années, Folles. The S's are silent, so do not worry about them. Années folles, Années folles. But it'd be fine in English to say it as Années Folles. Années Folles, well, in English you kind of want to pronounce the S's, but it's not how we would say it in French. But I know in English it is often said like this: Années folles, Années folles, or Années Folles. In French, Années folles. I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button if this was, and I will see you soon in more videos like those about French pronunciation. I'll see you there to learn more. Merci. Au revoir.